Alright, in this one we are told that a customer's monthly water bill was initially 75.74, and then it was increased to 79.86. And our question is, to the nearest tenth of 1%, what percent, by what percent did the amount of the customer's water bill increase? Okay, so basically, what's the percent increase from here to here? How do we do that? Well, we just put the later one over the initial one. So later over initial, so 75.86 divided by 75.74. If it was getting smaller, you would still put the later over the initial. And that equals, let's see, 86 divided by 75.74. That's 1.0544. So what does that mean? That means that this, or our latter one, is like 1.0544 times the first one. So to find your percentage, it's the percent increase rather. It's just looking at the decimals here, and we see that it increases by 5.44%. So if it, because if these were the exact same, one over the other, dividing them would just equal 1, so like there's no change. But since you are having a bigger number on top, it comes out to a little bit bigger, and these decimals represent the percentage. So if it was like 1.15, that would be 15% increase. If it was like 1.42, that's a 42% increase. If it was a decimal, like if you divided the latter one over the initial and it was 0.93, that's a decrease of 7%, right? Because you're comparing it relative to just 1. So 5.44%, but we want it to 1/10 of 1%, and to the 10th power, not power, but to the 10th decimal place here, we don't need to round up, so it's just 5.4%, which is D.